What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel, brand new video, and I thought we'd start off today with an unboxing video. Disclaimer, it's partially unboxing. I've actually already opened it. And so we're going to call this segment Aaron's Package. So this package comes from a company called 5-4 Club. They send you clothing based on your style, and you pay a monthly subscription and you get 2 pieces of clothing, but you don't know what you're going to get. So for this month, the theme was Marvel, and with the Avengers being out, I was hoping I could get some really cool pieces of Marvel clothing, and I was lucky that I did. I'm going to show you the first piece first, which is this shirt. Really nice shirt, feels great on, and it's Captain America themed. It's got some Captain America art on the collar and in some of the pockets. Really nice shirt. Not something I'd usually buy, but it was awesome, and I'm going to be wearing it all the time. Now the second piece of clothing which I received was actually the one I wanted the most, and I was so happy I got it, and here it is. Have you seen it? Yeah, the jacket. You're probably thinking it's not very Marvel themed, but actually, if you look inside, it's all lined with Iron Man comic book print, and it's even got little secret pockets in the arms, and they're all lined as well. Feels great. I wish it felt a little bit better, but to be honest, it's a nice jacket anyway. But yeah, 2 awesome pieces of clothing, really love them, and I think we'll move on. So next we're going to move on to a brand new revised English with Aaron. I'm going to be teaching you today, so let's get on to the segment. Hello class. In today's video we'll be learning how to say I would like to play a video game. Now if we translate this into the commoner, we get FIFA. I hope this has been very informal. And so finally guys, we've got questions with Aaron. Got some questions from you guys at home, and so let's go with them. Who shot first? Han or Greedo? Trick question. I shot first. What is Halo like in real life? Well, what if we are all in the Matrix? Stupid question. We're not in the Matrix. And finally, what happens if you lick your cap? Let's find out. Cool guys, so I hope you enjoyed the episode. I'm going to try and bring them out more regularly, but if you enjoyed this episode, leave a thumbs up, it really helps. Leave comments in the section below of what you want to see, and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you guys next time.